Hey guys, it's Megatron1717 here, and today's video is going to be about the Random Monday for August 3rd, 2020. So let's do a daily spin. Coolio. Alright, let's first visit GM Clothing. So we are here at GM Clothing, still looking for the Random Monday. So we're getting back to school stuff since school is going to be starting soon. Oh, here it is. So here is Random Monday for today. Rare Summer Flower Horns, 950 gems, and GM Clothing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like, subscribe, and turn notifications to on. And also check out my other Random Monday video for the Animal Jam app. That is available until the notifications pop up on your screen. And this Random Monday is available until 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and peace out.